Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some cool features that are available on TOZO T20. So the first thing that I want to show you is of course the LED display that is in the case. Over here you can see the preview of the battery left in the charging box or case, and if you put the earbuds inside the case, then you can also see the information about the earbuds themselves as well. And if you open the case, you will see their state. However, in addition to that, you also have the TOZO app, which is also pretty cool, as it allows you to also see the detailed information about the battery left in both earbuds. If you are looking for this app, then of course you can find it in Google Play Store or Apple Store or something similar, depending on what you use. Once you install and open it, you will need to create an account, and then you should be able to add the earbuds inside the app. In addition to that, you also have the EQ that can be managed by going to more sound effects, and here you can boost the bass or reduce it if you are not a fan of bass, or you can just set up any of these pre-made EQs. You can also readjust them, so if you want to make some adjustments to some pre-made EQs, then of course you can do that, and once you are done with the changes, you can press the save button in order to save your own EQ. In addition to that, the app allows you to make some changes to the touch control. So if you prefer to, for instance, trigger the voice assistant by double clicking, then you can of course change that over here, and you can customize both the left and right earbud. Over here you can also see the preview of what you can do with the incoming calls if you have the earbuds connected to your smartphone. And finally, we can also do the update of the firmware. If there is an update for the earbuds, then over here you can do that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.